What if a single machine could become your next source of income? Today, you're about to discover real, profitable, and proven business ideas that are already making money in different markets, and that you can take advantage of too, even starting from home. Welcome to Machine Boost, the channel where machines turn into real business opportunities. 1. Paper plate. Making machine. The demand for eco-friendly disposable products continues to grow, and this machine positions itself as one of the smartest options for starting a business from home. With this equipment, you can produce biodegradable paper plates used at parties, corporate events, restaurants, food trucks, and for wholesale sales. Its compact design allows it to be easily installed in a small workshop or even in a dedicated space within the home. Additionally, it is ideal for entrepreneurs looking for a stable business with a growing trend toward responsible consumption. The use of biodegradable materials makes it easier to establish agreements with environmentally committed companies. You can also offer customized designs for special events, increasing profit margins. It is a high-turnover product, especially during festive seasons. Constant production allows you to supply both retail sales and wholesale contracts. You can even sell to educational institutions and catering companies. The machine operates almost fully automatically. You simply place the paper, set the temperature and pressure, and the mold does the rest. No prior experience or specialized personnel are required, which reduces operating costs from day one. When imported from China, the investment is around $5,000, depending on size and production capacity. Maintenance is simple and low cost, making it ideal for long-term operation. Its energy consumption is moderate, helping keep expenses under control. The molds can be changed to produce different plate sizes and shapes. This expands the product catalog without needing to purchase another machine. Additionally, the learning curve is very fast. In terms of profitability, the numbers are very attractive. A pack of 50 plates can sell for between $2 and $5, while the production cost per unit can be under 3 cents. With a moderate monthly production of 500 packs, it is possible to easily exceed $2,000 per month, all while operating from home. Moreover, as it is an eco-friendly product, you can easily differentiate yourself in the market and increase perceived value. The brand can be positioned as a sustainable alternative to plastic. It is also possible to sell to eco-friendly distributors or health food stores. Growth can scale quickly with recurring orders. It is a simple business, but with great expansion potential. 2. Artificial green fence manufacturing machine. Decorative green fences have become a modern solution for those seeking privacy, aesthetics, and zero maintenance. This machine allows you to manufacture decorative panels that simulate natural vegetation, ideal for homes, gardens, businesses, events, and interior or exterior decoration projects. Their realistic appearance makes them very attractive to demanding customers. They are widely used on terraces, balconies, and urban facades. They are also used in advertising stands and stage designs. They require no watering or pruning, which increases their commercial value. They adapt to both warm and cold climates. It is a product that is both functional and decorative. The equipment automates the weaving of synthetic leaves onto plastic or metal meshes, achieving a uniform and professional finish. Its operation is simple. Materials are loaded, the foliage pattern is selected, and the machine begins producing continuous meters of panels without constant intervention. Importing it from China costs approximately $7,000, varying depending on capacity and system quality. Production is constant and predictable. It can be operated by 1 or 2 people at most. The materials are easy to source. The process generates very little waste. In addition, the learning process is fast. In the market, a 1 square meter green fence panel sells for between $10 and $30, while its production cost can be very low if materials are purchased in bulk. With just 100 panels per month, revenues can exceed $2,000, and if you sell to event companies, decorators, or construction firms, margins grow even more. It is a visual product, easy to promote on social media, and with high turnover. Installation videos generate a lot of online interest. You can also offer installation services as an additional income stream. It is ideal for B2B sales. The business scales easily with large orders. Demand remains constant throughout the year. 3. PET bottle. Manufacturing machine. PET bottles are essential in industries such as beverages, cleaning, cosmetics, and food. With this machine, you can produce customized containers from home and turn a basic product into a constant source of income. The system works with PET preforms, which are heated and blow-molded to create bottles of different sizes and designs. This allows you to serve multiple niches with a single machine. You can manufacture everything from small bottles to large-capacity containers. Customization increases product value. It is ideal for entrepreneurs seeking recurring clients. Demand is permanent. Additionally, you can work on a made-to-order basis. The import price starts at $3,500, making it one of the most affordable machines within the light industrial sector. You do not need advanced technical experience, just a stable electrical connection, sufficient space, and access to preforms, which can be purchased locally or imported in large quantities. Maintenance is minimal. Operation is safe and stable. It does not require highly skilled personnel. Initial training is fast. This reduces operational risks. It is ideal for starting with low capital. Production capacity is high, reaching hundreds of bottles per hour. The cost per unit is usually between 5 cents and 10 cents, while the wholesale selling price can range from 30 cents to 50 cents. In addition, you can not only sell empty bottles, but also offer customization services or even launch your own bottled product brand, multiplying income sources. You can serve local brands. It is also possible to manufacture recycled, eco-friendly containers. Margins improve with volume. Scalability is very high. It is an industrial business with great stability. 4. CNC stone carving machine. This machine takes artisanal entrepreneurship to a fully professional level. A CNC stone carving machine allows you to create sculptures, engravings, plaques, tombstones, cladding, and decorative pieces with millimeter precision. It operates through computerized numerical control, which means you only need to load the digital design, and the machine automatically executes the work. This eliminates human errors. It guarantees repeatable results. It allows for custom orders. It saves production time. It improves final quality. It increases perceived product value. It facilitates complex jobs. It opens doors to new markets. It can work with materials such as marble, granite, and natural stone, making it extremely versatile. The import price from China starts around $2,600, a relatively low investment considering the value of the final products. You do not need to be a sculptor. You only need to learn basic software, which is generally intuitive and easy to master. The equipment is robust, designed for continuous use. It requires little maintenance. Energy consumption is efficient. Design learning is progressive. You can use pre-designed files. You can also accept custom commissions. Custom jobs sell for $30 to over $200 per piece, depending on the level of detail. This type of business has high demand in niches such as interior decoration, gardening, funerary art, and architecture. With just a few projects per month, you can quickly recover your investment and build a brand focused on durable, high-value products. It is a high-margin business. Customers value exclusivity. Competition is usually limited. It allows easy differentiation. Ideal for premium work. 5. Sawdust briquette. Making machine turning waste into money is one of the strongest trends in modern entrepreneurship, and this machine makes it possible. The sawdust briquette making machine transforms wood waste into solid fuel used in fireplaces, stoves, and industrial boilers. It is an eco-friendly solution with growing acceptance in residential and industrial markets. It reduces waste. It uses low-cost materials. It supports the circular economy. It reduces pollution. It is attractive to conscious consumers. It works in both rural and urban areas. Demand is constant. It is ideal for sustainable businesses. The equipment compresses sawdust at high pressure without the need for chemical additives, creating strong briquettes with high calorific value. Its price on the Chinese market starts at $1,500, and its operation is simple. Feed the system and let the press do the work. Energy consumption is low. Production is continuous. It requires little maintenance. It can be operated by one person. It is easy to install. It does not take up much space. It works with different types of waste. It has a long service life. 1 ton of briquettes can sell for between $180 and $300, and many entrepreneurs generate monthly incomes of $1,000 to $2,000, especially if they have constant access to waste from carpentry shops or workshops. In addition to being profitable, this business has strong environmental appeal, making it easier to sell and position as a sustainable brand. You can sell to households and businesses, also to rural hotels. Margins increase with volume. It is scalable. It has institutional support in many countries. It is a business with a future. 6. Incense-making machine. Incense is not only an aromatic product, it is also linked to well-being, spirituality, and relaxation, making it an item with constant global demand. With an incense-making machine, you can start a profitable business from home by combining tradition and modern automated production. It is highly valued in practices such as yoga, meditation, and holistic therapies. It is also used in religious rituals and relaxation spaces. Its consumption is recurrent, ensuring constant sales. It works well in both local and international markets. Additionally, it allows you to create a brand with strong emotional identity. It is ideal for creative ventures. It has low operational risk, and it adapts very well to digital commerce. This equipment allows the production of incense sticks or cones using mixtures of natural resins, essential oils, aromatic woods, and plant powders. Its operation is simple. Ingredients are loaded, the mold is adjusted, and the machine forms uniform pieces ready for drying and packaging. Importing it from China has an approximate cost starting at $2,000, depending on the level of automation. Energy consumption is low. Production is constant and stable. It does not require specialized personnel. Maintenance is minimal. You can experiment with different fragrances. This allows the launch of exclusive editions. It is also possible to produce natural incense without chemicals. Ideal for premium niches. Raw materials are inexpensive and profit margins are high. A pack of 20 sticks can sell for between $3 and $7, especially if presented with an attractive brand. With a monthly production of 500 packs, income can exceed $1,500, and if you sell online through artisanal or wellness platforms, reach can be international. It is an ideal business for creating your own brand focused on aromatherapy and holistic products. You can offer monthly subscriptions, sell themed sets, collaborate with spas or yoga centers. Product storytelling increases perceived value. It is scalable. It has excellent acceptance on social media, and it connects very well with wellness trends. 7. 3D wall panel manufacturing machine interior decoration has evolved toward modern, visual, and accessible solutions, and 3D wall panels are a strong trend. This machine allows you to manufacture three-dimensional decorative pieces that transform any space, from homes to offices, restaurants, and commercial venues. They are widely used as accent walls. They add depth and style. They adapt to minimalist or modern designs. They are a trend in interior architecture. They increase the aesthetic value of spaces. They work well in residential and commercial projects. They are easy to install, and they have immediate visual impact. The equipment can work with materials such as plant fiber, recycled PVC, or gypsum, forming textured panels through automatic molds. You simply place the mixture, adjust the drying time, and unmold the product ready to be painted or installed. The investment to import it from China starts around $3,500. The process is fast and repeatable. It generates very little waste. Molds can be changed for new designs. It does not require skilled labor. Maintenance is simple. It can operate in small spaces. It is ideal for mass production. And it allows project-based customization. Each panel has a very low production cost, between 30 cents and 50 cents, while its selling price can multiply several times depending on design and finish. With a daily production of 300 panels, monthly potential is very attractive. Additionally, it is a product that is easy to promote on social media due to its visual impact and high demand in remodeling and interior design projects. Before and after videos generate great reach. You can sell to architects and decorators, offer installation as an extra service. It is highly scalable. It has excellent margins, and demand remains strong year-round. 8. Essential Oil Distillation Machine. Aromatherapy and natural cosmetics have driven strong demand for pure essential oils. With a distillation machine, you can extract these oils from plants, flowers, and fruit peels, turning natural raw material into a high-value commercial product. It is a constantly growing market, closely linked to wellness and natural health. Consumers seek pure and artisanal products. It has strong acceptance in premium markets. It allows working with local raw materials. It adds value to agricultural crops. It is ideal for eco-friendly brands, and it connects with sustainable trends. This machine works through steam distillation. The process is clean and simple. Plants are loaded, heat is applied, and steam extracts the oils, which are then automatically separated from the water. Importing it from China has an initial price close to $2,000, and it does not require large spaces or advanced technical experience. The system is safe. Energy consumption is moderate. Maintenance is low. It can operate from home. The learning curve is short. Different types of plants can be distilled. It allows constant artisanal production, and it guarantees uniform quality. A 10 milliliter bottle can sell for between $8 and $25, depending on the type of oil. With just 2 or 3 distillations per day, it is possible to generate monthly income exceeding $4,000. It is an ideal business to sell on social media, natural fairs, specialty stores, or international sales platforms. With a strong ecological and artisanal narrative, you can create exclusive blends, offer derived cosmetic products, sell wholesale, build a premium brand. Margins are very high, scalability is excellent, and positioning is strong. 9. Pasta making machine. Artisanal pasta has gained popularity among consumers seeking fresher, healthier, and higher quality products. With a pasta-making machine, you can produce noodles, spaghetti, tagliatelle, and even filled pasta from home, professionally and consistently. It is highly valued by restaurants and gourmet shops. It has high turnover. It allows differentiation by recipe. It works well in local markets, also in direct-to-consumer sales. It adapts to special diets. It builds brand loyalty, and it has excellent acceptance. These machines, available from $2,500 when imported from China, automate the kneading, cutting, and shaping process. You only need basic ingredients such as flour, water, and eggs, and in minutes you will have pasta ready for packaging. Operation is simple and does not require professional cooking experience. Maintenance is easy. Energy consumption is low. Production is constant. Molds allow a variety of formats. Whole wheat or gluten-free versions can be made. Ideal for daily production. It takes up little space, and it is easy to clean. A 250-gram portion can sell for between $2 and $5, or even more if gourmet, vegan, or gluten-free. Producing 150 packs daily, income can reach very attractive figures. This product has high turnover, good acceptance in health food stores, restaurants, and subscription sales, and allows you to build a brand with artisanal identity. You can sell weekly subscriptions, offer special flavors, work with local chefs, scale with B2B orders. It is a stable business with great potential and very profitable. 10. Hanger manufacturing machine. Although they seem like a simple product, hangers have constant demand in homes, clothing stores, laundries, and textile businesses. With a hanger manufacturing machine, you can produce large volumes from home and enter a stable and lightly saturated market. It is a recurrent consumption product. It does not depend on trends. It works year-round. It has constant wholesale clients. It is ideal for corporate contracts. It is sold by volume. It has simple logistics and a low return rate. This equipment works with materials such as wire, plastic, or pressed wood, automatically shaping each piece. Some versions allow the addition of non-slip coatings or decorative finishes. The import cost is around $2,500, and production can exceed 1,000 units per day. The process is fast. It requires little supervision. Maintenance is low. Energy consumption is reduced. It can be operated by one person. It is easy to install. It takes up little space. And it is very durable. The cost per hanger is low, between 10 cents and 25 cents, while packs of 10 units can sell for between $5 and $10. It is a lightweight product, easy to store and inexpensive to ship, ideal for online sales or wholesale agreements. A simple, scalable business with constant income. You can sell to local stores, to laundries, to hotels, to clothing brands. It is highly scalable, it has stable cash flow, and it is perfect for continuous production. 11. Facial mask manufacturing machine. The personal care and cosmetics industry continues to grow year after year, and facial masks have become one of the most consumed products within this market. With a facial mask manufacturing machine, you can create your own skincare product line from home, focusing on natural ingredients and customized formulas. This type of product has high repurchase rates. Consumers look for solutions specific to their skin. It is ideal for niches such as sensitive skin or anti-aging. It allows differentiation through natural ingredients. It also performs very well on social media. It is a visual product that is easy to explain. It has high acceptance in international markets. It adapts to clean beauty trends. It allows building a solid brand, and it generates customer loyalty. This equipment automates the mixing, dosing, molding, and sealing process of the masks into individual packages, ready for sale. It can work with ingredients such as aloe vera, collagen, green tea, hyaluronic acid, or vegan formulas. Importing it from China requires an approximate investment starting at $5,000, depending on the level of production and automation. The process is hygienic and controlled. It reduces human errors. It guarantees uniformity in each unit. It does not require specialized personnel. Maintenance is simple. Energy consumption is moderate. It allows easy production scaling. New formulas can be launched quickly, ideal for continuous production, and suitable for home operation. The manufacturing cost per unit is usually between 30 cents and 50 cents, while the retail selling price can range from $2 to $4 or more if positioned as natural or premium cosmetics. There is also strong wholesale demand from spas, beauty centers, and online distributors, allowing the business to scale quickly with a solid branding and digital marketing strategy. You can sell themed packs, create monthly subscriptions, work with influencers, export to other countries, offer private label products, expand the line to other cosmetic products, improve margins with volume. It is highly scalable, it has great profitability, and a constantly growing market. 12. Adhesive trap manufacturing machine for mice and insects. Pest control is a permanent need in homes, restaurants, hotels, and warehouses, making this product a constant source of income. With this machine, you can manufacture adhesive traps in an automated way, ready for immediate commercialization. It is a recurrent consumption product. It does not depend on trends. It has year-round demand. It is essential in urban environments, also in industrial zones. It is sold by volume. It has frequent customers. It is easy to store, and it has constant turnover. The equipment applies special adhesive to cardboard or plastic, cuts the pieces into standard formats, and allows customization with your own brand. Its import price from China starts around $4,500, making it an accessible investment for a light industrial home-based business. The process is fast and continuous. It requires little supervision. Maintenance is low. Energy consumption is reduced. It can be operated by one person. It allows different sizes and formats. It facilitates mass production. It is stable and durable, and very easy to learn. The production cost per unit can range between 15 cents and 30 cents, while the selling price can reach between $1.50 and $2.50 per piece. When packaged in kits of 10 or 20 units, margins increase significantly. With constant sales to local clients or e-commerce platforms, this business can easily exceed $3,000 per month without requiring prior experience. You can sell to hardware stores, to supermarkets, to pest control companies, to hotels, to restaurants. Offer private label options. Expand into other pest control products. It is very scalable. It has stable cash flow and low operational risk. 13. Belt or strap manufacturing machine. Fashion accessories have constant turnover and belts or straps stand out for their low production cost and high commercial value. This specialized machine allows automatic weaving of straps, creating professionally finished products ready to be cut, assembled, and sold. It is a functional and aesthetic product. It has high demand. It adapts to different styles. It works well in casual and sports fashion, also in urban fashion. It allows quick design changes. It has excellent margins. It is ideal for private labels. And it is visually very attractive. The equipment works with materials such as nylon, cotton, or polyester, and allows configuration of different patterns and designs. Importing it from China requires an investment starting at $3,000, making it ideal for creative ventures focused on customization and brand development. Operation is simple. Production is constant. It requires little maintenance. It can be operated from home. Energy consumption is low. Designs can be updated easily. It allows limited editions. It is ideal for specific niches. And it facilitates differentiation. The production cost per unit can range between 80 cents and $1.20, while the final selling price usually ranges from $6 to $15, depending on design and presentation. You can sell to local brands, online stores, or specialized marketplaces, and leverage the visual appeal of the weaving process to create viral content that boosts sales. You can sell combined sets, work with influencers, customize per order, export, create themed collections, scale production with large orders. It has high profitability, it is easy to promote, and very adaptable to trends. 14. Napkin manufacturing machine. Napkins are a mass consumption product present in restaurants, cafes, bakeries, and households. This machine allows automatic napkin production with continuous output and extremely low costs. It is an essential product. It has daily demand. It does not depend on seasons. It is sold in large volumes. It has constant turnover. It is ideal for B2B sales. It works in local markets. It is easy to distribute. And it has recurrent consumption. The equipment takes industrial paper rolls, cuts and folds them, and can even print logos or customize designs. Its import price from China starts around $4,500, and a single person can operate it without difficulty. The process is fast, maintenance is minimal, energy consumption is low, production is stable, it can work long shifts, it allows client-based customization, ideal for restaurants, it is compact, easy to install, and very durable. The cost per napkin is minimal, between 2 cents and 5 cents, while finished packs can sell for between 50 cents and $2. With a strong local distribution network, this business can generate constant income with high margins. Additionally, offering eco-friendly or customized versions increases product value and opens new commercial opportunities. You can sell monthly contracts to hotels, to cafes, to events, offer private label services, scale easily. It has constant cash flow. It is very stable and low risk. 15. Compressed wood pallet manufacturing machine. This machine represents one of the strongest opportunities for those seeking a scalable business aligned with the circular economy. The compressed wood pallet manufacturing machine transforms waste such as sawdust and wood shavings into strong, functional pallets widely used in logistics and export. It is a sustainable solution. It reduces industrial waste. It uses low-cost byproducts. It has high logistics demand. It meets international standards. It is ideal for export. It has a global market. It is robust and efficient. And it provides real environmental value. The process is fully automated. It mixes the waste with an eco-friendly adhesive, applies heat and pressure, and molds the pallet without the need for nails or screws. The investment to import it from China starts around $8,500. The process is continuous. It requires little labor. Maintenance is moderate. Energy consumption is efficient. It produces uniform pallets. It reduces manufacturing time. It improves strength, it facilitates certifications, and it allows mass production. The production cost per pallet can range between $4 and $6, while the selling price easily reaches $15 to $20 per unit. Producing 50 pallets daily, monthly income can be very significant. In addition to its profitability, this business stands out for its positive environmental impact and high demand in industrial and logistics sectors. You can sell to exporting companies, to distribution centers, to factories, to warehouses, sign recurring contracts, scale with additional shifts. It is highly profitable. It has entry barriers and strong long-term potential. 16. Temporary tattoo machine. This machine is like owning a mini tattoo studio, but without needles, pain, or permanence. It works by printing designs onto special transfer paper that is later applied to the skin using water. A medium-sized unit costs around $300 and is extremely easy to operate. You simply select the design, print it, and it's ready to apply in seconds. One big advantage is that the materials are very inexpensive. The special paper and tattoo ink cost only a few cents per design, while each tattoo can be sold for $1 to $5 depending on detail and size. The real key is offering unique, themed, or fully customized designs that people can't find elsewhere. You can create tattoos for birthday parties, school activities, fairs, festivals, or even company promotions. To increase sales, you can offer bundle deals like 10 tattoos for $20 or partner directly with party supply shops, beauty salons, or local vendors. Another strong strategy is setting up a small booth at events where customers can choose from ready-made designs or request quick custom ones applied on the spot. You can also follow trends, seasonal themes, or viral designs to keep your catalog fresh and attractive. With steady demand and creative ideas, this machine can pay for itself within a few weeks and become a fun source of recurring income that scales easily. 17. Holographic backpacks. These backpacks stand out thanks to their shiny, color-shifting effect that reflects light in a striking way. A machine to manufacture them costs around $1,000 and allows you to produce backpacks with consistent quality and a professional finish, ready to sell to young audiences or fans of futuristic fashion. The materials are widely available, including holographic fabrics, zippers, and inner linings, making each backpack cost less than $15 to produce. Depending on the design, size, and finishing details, the selling price can range from $30 to $50 per unit. To increase profits, you can release limited editions, custom color combinations, or themed designs inspired by music, gaming, or pop culture. Selling online through social media platforms can greatly expand your reach beyond local markets. You can also collaborate with influencers or fashion stores to boost visibility. Offering pre-orders helps reduce risk and ensures production based on real demand. With the right branding and presentation, this business can grow quickly and position itself as a trendy product. 18. Phone case printing machine. This machine turns plain phone cases into fully personalized products in just minutes. It works by applying heat and pressure to silicone or plastic cases, instantly transferring images, logos, names, or phrases. A mid-range machine costs around $400 and is ideal for producing gifts, souvenirs, or promotional merchandise. The materials are affordable, basic cases, and special inks, keeping the cost per unit under $2. Each case can be sold for $5 to $10 depending on customization level and design complexity. Typical clients include teenagers, small businesses, event organizers, and gift shoppers. To boost sales, it's important to display creative and eye-catching samples that inspire customers. Offering custom orders, themed collections, and combo deals for multiple cases increases average order value. You can also partner with phone stores or gift shops to sell wholesale. Another effective strategy is taking orders for events like birthdays or graduations. With consistent demand and fresh designs, the machine quickly pays for itself and becomes a profitable, scalable business. 19. Automatic cookie machine. This machine is a dream come true for cookie lovers and dessert entrepreneurs. It automatically mixes, shapes, and bakes cookies ready to eat or sell. Its price ranges from $1,500 to $5,000, and it's very easy to operate. You simply load the dough and let the machine handle the process, producing perfectly uniform cookies every time. What makes it even better is the low cost of ingredients. Flour, sugar, butter, and flavorings keep production costs under 50 cents per cookie. Each cookie can be sold for $1 to $3 depending on size, decoration, and packaging. You can focus on selling at fairs, local markets, or specialty food stores. Another smart approach is creating themed cookie boxes for parties, holidays, or gifts, allowing you to sell multiple units at once. Personalized cookies with names or messages add extra value and attract repeat customers. You can also supply cafes or small shops on a regular basis. With several hours of daily production, this machine generates steady income and allows you to recover your investment quickly. 20. Chocolate fountain. This chocolate fountain is like having a delicious mini waterfall that instantly captures attention. It costs around $400 and is perfect for parties, events, or dessert-focused businesses. It works by melting chocolate and circulating it in layers so customers can dip fruits, marshmallows, or cookies on demand. One major advantage is that chocolate is relatively inexpensive, while the experience feels premium. Each serving costs about 50 cents in supplies and can be sold for $2 to $5 depending on presentation. A great way to monetize it is by offering services for birthdays, weddings, fairs, or themed events, charging per serving or per hour. You can also install a small stand in busy areas, cafes, or dessert shops where the flowing chocolate triggers impulse purchases. Bundling the fountain with fruit packs or decorative snacks increases average ticket size. Offering live demonstrations or chocolate tasting experiences adds an interactive element. With regular use, the investment can be recovered quickly while creating a memorable and profitable business. 21. Bread baking oven. This oven is a reliable partner for bakers and pastry entrepreneurs. It allows you to bake large batches of bread, rolls, and bakery products evenly and efficiently. Priced at around $900, it's ideal for businesses focused on quality and productivity. The ingredients are inexpensive: flour, water, yeast, and minor add-ons. Each bread unit costs less than $1 to make and can sell for $3 to $5 depending on size and recipe. You can open your own bakery or supply fresh bread to cafes, restaurants, and local shops. Another option is offering daily combos or weekly subscription packages with home delivery, creating predictable income. Special breads for holidays, events, or corporate orders can command higher margins. You can also experiment with artisan or specialty recipes. With good organization and steady demand, this oven can become the backbone of a stable and profitable business. 22. Automatic churro machine. This machine transforms dough into perfectly shaped, uniform churros ready to fry or serve. It costs around $700 and can produce dozens of churros per minute with minimal effort. The ingredients are very affordable: flour, water, and sugar, resulting in a low cost per unit. Each churro can be sold for $1 to $3 depending on size and toppings. A popular strategy is setting up a cart at fairs, plazas, or events, showcasing freshly made churros with chocolate, caramel, or filled options. You can also sell churro boxes for parties, meetings, or family gatherings. Seasonal or themed churros for holidays increase appeal and pricing. Offering combo deals with drinks boosts sales. With continuous operation, this machine provides fast, consistent income. 23. Remote-controlled lawn mower. This mower works like a small robotic gardener that handles the job while you supervise. It costs about $500 and keeps medium to large lawns perfectly trimmed with minimal effort. Maintenance is inexpensive, requiring only cleaning and battery charging. You can offer lawn care services to homeowners or businesses that want quality results without hiring staff. It's also ideal for condominiums or shared spaces with recurring maintenance contracts. Renting it out for short-term use during events or property showings adds another income stream. You can even bundle services with basic landscaping. One machine can generate multiple revenue options from a single investment. 24. Liquid filling machine. This machine is perfect for businesses producing beverages, sauces, oils, or liquid goods. It costs around $400 and fills containers quickly and evenly, saving time and labor. The raw materials are cheap, with each container costing only a few cents to fill. Finished products can sell for $2 to $10 depending on size and contents. You can create your own branded juices, sauces, or flavored oils for local stores or markets. Another option is offering filling services to small producers who lack equipment. Selling family packs or tasting sets increases order value. With steady use, this machine delivers consistent cash flow and fast return on investment. 25. Food dehydrator. This device converts fruits, vegetables, meats, and herbs into long-lasting dried products. It costs about $150 and is very easy to operate. You load the food, set the temperature and time, and package the finished product. Ingredients are inexpensive and easy to source, leaving attractive profit margins. Each portion costs under $1 and can sell for $3 to $7 depending on type and packaging. You can market healthy snack kits to gyms, schools, and natural food stores. Mixed packs make great gifts and sell well at fairs. Gourmet options like flavored chips or jerky allow premium pricing. This dehydrator is a low-cost entry into a profitable niche. 26. Small 3D printer. This printer is an excellent option if you want to step into the world of customization and digital design. It allows you to produce figures, accessories, prototypes, and small plastic components with impressive precision. Its price is around $500, and even though it's compact in size, it can create products that sell at very attractive prices depending on detail and dimensions. The materials are affordable plastic filaments available in many colors and finishes. Each item can cost just a few cents to manufacture and be sold for $3 to $10 depending on complexity and usefulness. A creative way to monetize it is by offering made-to-order products such as keychains, decorations, toys, or hobby-related parts. You can also provide services to businesses that require prototypes or replacement components, charging per completed project. Another strong strategy is launching limited edition collections or themed figure sets aimed at collectors, increasing perceived value. You can follow trends from movies, games, or social media to refresh designs constantly. Selling online expands your reach beyond local customers. You can also bundle products into packs to increase ticket size. Offering rapid turnaround times becomes a competitive advantage. With consistent creativity and a solid catalog, this printer can generate steady income all year long. 27. Fast food fryer cart. This cart is ideal for selling hot snacks such as French fries, nuggets, empanadas, or churros. It costs about $1,000 and is fully mobile, letting you move locations depending on demand and foot traffic. The cost per serving is low, while each portion can be sold for $2 to $5 depending on size and menu choice. To maximize profits, you can place it in high-traffic areas like plazas, parks, or near schools, as well as fairs and festivals. Another effective approach is partnering with private parties or celebrations, taking the cart directly to clients and offering attractive combo deals. You can also design themed menus or daily specials to keep customers coming back. Adding sauces, toppings, or upsells increases profit per sale. Branding the cart with eye-catching visuals attracts attention. Seasonal menus help boost demand during specific months. The flexibility of this cart allows constant adaptation to trends. With good locations and consistent quality, it becomes a reliable source of daily income. 28. T-shirt sublimation machine. This machine lets you print bright, high-quality, personalized designs on cotton or polyester t-shirts. It costs around $400 and transforms basic shirts into unique garments ready to wear or sell. The production cost per t-shirt is low, requiring only the base shirt and special ink. Each customized shirt can be sold for $8 to $15 depending on design and market demand. You can create themed collections for holidays, birthdays, or branded merchandise for local businesses. Another option is approaching companies that need uniforms or promotional apparel, delivering ready-made batches. Custom orders for schools, clubs, or sports events can generate large volume sales. You can also sell online with preview mock-ups. Limited edition drops increase urgency. Offering size and color variety expands your audience. With creative designs and consistent marketing, this machine becomes a fun and reliable profit engine. 29. Heat sealing bag machine. This machine may be small, but it delivers massive efficiency. It instantly seals plastic or food bags, ensuring product freshness and safety. Its price is around $300, and it's ideal for snack businesses, food packaging, or homemade goods. Production costs are extremely low since you only need the bags and the product inside. Each sealed unit can be sold at a price that greatly multiplies material costs. One way to use it is by packaging your own products like cookies, dried fruits, spices, or baking mixes. You can also offer sealing services to small businesses that lack the equipment, charging per bag or batch. Another option is working with vendors at fairs who need fast, secure packaging. Custom labels add extra value. Bulk packaging increases efficiency. The machine can work non-stop for hours. This makes it a quiet but constant income generator. 30. Artisan Soap Making Machine. If you're looking for a creative and elegant business, this machine is a perfect fit. It melts, blends, and molds soaps with unique fragrances, colors, and shapes. It costs around $400 and is very simple to operate. You pour the ingredients, choose the mold, and receive soaps ready to sell or gift. Materials are affordable. Glycerin, oils, and colorants keep production under $1 per unit. Each soap can be sold for $3 to $5 depending on design and presentation. You can distribute them through gift shops, beauty salons, or craft fairs. Another strong approach is creating themed collections for holidays, events, or gift boxes. Monthly subscription boxes with exclusive soaps keep customers returning. Custom scents build brand identity. Eco-friendly packaging boosts appeal. This business blends creativity with stable, recurring income. 31. Industrial Dough Mixer. This machine is the backbone of any serious home bakery or pastry operation. It mixes large quantities of dough quickly and evenly, saving hours of manual labor. It costs about $800 and allows you to prepare bread, cookies, pizza dough, and more with ease. Each kilo of dough is inexpensive and can be turned into baked goods, selling for $3 to $5 per unit depending on style. One profitable approach is supplying fresh products to cafes, grocery stores, or restaurants that prefer ready-made dough. You can also take special orders for events, birthdays, or markets. Creating themed or seasonal products increases demand. Batch production improves efficiency. Consistent quality builds loyal clients. With steady use, this machine recovers its cost fast and produces reliable income. 32. Popsicle Making Machine. This machine feels like frozen magic at work. It turns ice cream bases into perfectly shaped popsicles ready for sale. It costs around $600 and can produce dozens of units in a short time. The raw materials are inexpensive: milk, juice, sugar, or fruit, keeping each popsicle under 50 cents. Each unit sells for $1 to $2 depending on flavor and size. You can distribute them to grocery stores, cafes, or food stands. Another fun method is setting up carts at fairs and events where bright colors attract attention. Family packs or themed assortments sell faster. Seasonal flavors keep interest high. Premium fillings raise prices. With good rotation and creativity, this machine pays for itself quickly and keeps profits flowing. 33. Slushy Machine. If you want a refreshing and entertaining business, this machine is a great choice. It crushes ice and blends it with syrups to create slushies ready to drink. It costs about $400 and can produce dozens of cups within minutes. Each slushie costs less than 50 cents to make and sells for $2 to $4, offering excellent margins. You can take it to parks, beaches, fairs, or plazas where people want instant refreshment. Partnering with cafes or stores adds another sales channel. Family combos increase volume. Events and parties allow bulk sales. Multiple flavors boost appeal. The machine handles high demand easily. This makes income steady and enjoyable. 34. Nail Making Machine. This machine is a powerful entry point into the construction supply business. It automatically cuts and shapes wire into nails in seconds. It costs around $800 and produces dozens of nails per minute with minimal effort. The raw material is cheap and widely available. 1 kilo of wire produces hundreds of nails that can be sold for 5 cents to 10 cents each depending on type. Demand is constant since hardware stores, workshops, and builders always need nails. You can sell by the kilo or in ready-to-use boxes. Custom nails for decorative or fine carpentry sell at higher prices. Bulk contracts ensure stability. Continuous production speeds up ROI. This machine quickly becomes a dependable profit source. 35. Mobile coffee cart. Coffee is more than a beverage. It's a daily habit and a personal ritual. Millions of people simply can't begin their morning without it. That routine is exactly what turns a mobile coffee cart into one of the smartest portable businesses available. Instead of spending thousands on rent, you can operate with a compact cart, an espresso machine, and a quality grinder. The key is positioning yourself where people rush every morning: office districts, train stations, university campuses, or outdoor markets. What makes this model powerful is flexibility. You can test multiple locations until you identify the highest foot traffic spots, and even use tools like Google Maps or AI-driven analytics to optimize positioning in real time. Startup costs vary depending on your setup. A basic cart using second-hand equipment may cost between $2,500 and $6,000, factoring in 2026 inflation and basic tech upgrades. A fully custom professional cart with solar-powered features can reach $12,000 or more, but compared to opening a cafe, the investment is still minimal. Operating expenses mainly include sustainable coffee beans, plant-based milks, and eco-friendly cups. Each cup costs under $1 to prepare and sells for $3 to $6. Selling just 150 cups during a busy morning easily covers costs and generates hundreds in profit before noon, especially when boosted by contactless payments like Apple Pay or even crypto options. Upselling is another advantage. Once customers trust your coffee, you can partner with a local bakery to offer pastries, bagels, or cookies. Seasonal drinks like iced lattes in summer or pumpkin spice in fall keep demand high. Small tech upgrades like loyalty apps, AI chatbots for drink suggestions, or digital punch cards add value. Buy 9. Get the 10th free programs keep customers returning. Scaling is simple. Duplicate carts, hire staff, and expand to multiple locations without owning a fixed shop. Some entrepreneurs even explore drone delivery for nearby offices. The coffee cart succeeds because it solves a real problem. People want speed, convenience, and quality. Instead of them walking blocks to a cafe, you bring the cafe to them. That's the strength of mobility enhanced by 2026 technology. 36. Mobile car wash and detailing. Let's talk about cars. People love seeing their vehicles clean and shiny, but most dislike spending an hour waiting at a car wash. A mobile car wash and detailing service eliminates that frustration by going directly to the customer's home, workplace, or apartment parking lot. You save them time, and they happily pay extra for that convenience, especially with electric vehicles and remote work becoming the norm in 2026. The required equipment is straightforward: a portable pressure washer, water tank or waterless cleaning solutions, microfiber towels, interior vacuums, brushes, wax, and polish. Startup costs range from $1,200 to $3,500 depending on the level of service, including eco-friendly biodegradable cleaners that comply with new sustainability standards. Pricing is flexible. A basic exterior wash starts around $30, while full detailing packages can reach $250 or more, especially with ceramic coatings designed for EVs. With just 4 or 5 cars per day, revenue can easily hit $350 to $700 daily. The real secret, however, lies in contracts. Instead of relying on one-time clients, you can target offices, apartment complexes, gyms, or fleets and offer weekly or monthly service plans. Securing a deal with a 20-car company fleet scheduled through automated booking apps creates predictable income. Marketing is visual and effective. Before and after photos and short videos perform extremely well on social platforms, especially when enhanced with AR effects showing instant transformations. These clips often go viral on TikTok or X, bringing a steady stream of new customers. Scaling is also manageable. As demand grows, you can hire staff, operate electric vans, and cover multiple neighborhoods. Add-on services like headlight restoration, EV battery checks, or engine detailing increase average ticket size. This business thrives in an eco-conscious market where convenience and sustainability drive purchasing decisions. 37. Mobile pet grooming. Pets are family, and owners want the best possible care for them. However, taking a dog or cat to a grooming salon can be stressful for both pet and owner. A mobile pet grooming service removes that stress by bringing the grooming experience straight to the customer's door. Convenience, comfort, and personalized care all in one solution, now enhanced by Pet Tech in 2026. To start, you'll need essential tools: professional clippers, scissors, grooming tables, dryers, shampoos, conditioners, brushes, and nail trimmers. A van can be converted into a mobile grooming unit with a water tank, generator, and safe pet area, plus smart temperature sensors. Startup costs range from $3,500 if you already own a vehicle and use portable tools, up to $18,000 to $25,000 for a fully customized solar-powered grooming van. Pricing is attractive. Basic wash and brush services range from $45 to $80, while full grooming packages go from $80 to $140 or more depending on breed and size. Extra services like nail trimming, flea treatments, teeth cleaning, or organic products can add $15 to $35 each. Grooming 4 to 5 pets per day can generate $350 to $600 daily. Since grooming is a recurring need every 6 to 8 weeks, clients naturally rebook through apps, creating stable repeat income. Marketing works best in pet-friendly communities, apartment complexes, and online groups. Before and after pet photos and AI-edited videos are highly shareable. Partnerships with vets, pet stores, or dog walkers help grow referrals. This business runs on trust and relationships. Once owners find a groomer they trust, they rarely switch. Mobility sets you apart, and technology makes the service smarter and more efficient. 38. Mobile fitness trainer. Health truly is wealth. In 2026, more people than ever are prioritizing fitness, supported by wellness apps and wearable tech. Still, gyms can feel crowded, inconvenient, or intimidating. That's where a mobile fitness trainer comes in. Instead of clients traveling to the gym, you bring customized workouts directly to their homes, offices, or parks. It's flexible, accessible, and perfectly suited for a hybrid work lifestyle. One of the biggest advantages is the low startup cost. With under $600, you can purchase essentials like yoga mats, resistance bands, kettlebells, dumbbells, agility ladders, and a portable speaker, plus integration with fitness trackers like Apple Watch or Fitbit. You don't need massive equipment to deliver high-impact workouts. Clients value motivation, guidance, and personalized plans, especially when enhanced by AI-based programming. Pricing scales well. One-on-one sessions range from $50 to $120 per hour depending on location and expertise. Group sessions increase profits significantly. Charging $20 per person for a 10-person boot camp brings in $200 per hour. Repeat sessions each week create steady income. You can specialize in niches like corporate wellness, seniors, postnatal fitness, or weight loss, allowing premium pricing. Offering session bundles encourages long-term commitment. Combining in-person training with digital support like workout plans, nutrition tips, and progress tracking adds value. Many trainers also build online followings through short-form content, opening doors to digital coaching income. Being a mobile trainer is about adaptability, convenience, and building a strong personal brand powered by 2026 tech. 39. Mobile retail booth. Imagine owning a store without paying rent, utilities, or long-term leases. That's exactly what a mobile retail booth offers. Instead of waiting for customers, you bring your products directly to high-traffic areas like markets, fairs, festivals, and busy streets. It's retail with freedom, flexibility, and far less risk than a traditional shop, now enhanced by e-commerce tools in 2026. Setup can be simple or advanced. A folding table, canopy, portable shelves, racks, card reader, and QR codes for online checkout are enough to get started. Investment ranges from $400 to $2,500, depending on branding and quality. You can sell nearly anything: handmade jewelry, artisan candles, accessories, toys, or tech items like sustainable phone cases. The key is choosing products with strong margins and broad appeal. Profit potential is impressive. Selling 40 to 50 items in a busy day can generate $600 to $800 in revenue. Without store overhead, most of that becomes profit. If one location underperforms, you simply move to another. Marketing is visual. Bright banners, lighting, and creative displays attract attention. Bundle deals increase sales volume. Capturing emails through raffles or discounts builds a customer list for future events or online sales. The biggest advantage is adaptability. You follow demand wherever it goes. Seasonal events, holidays, and festivals all become opportunities. Mobility keeps you close to customers at all times. 40. Food truck. Few businesses command attention like a food truck. It's essentially a restaurant on wheels capable of serving hundreds of customers in one location. Food trucks are no longer a trend. They're a core part of urban culture, offering fast, high-quality meals, especially with plant-based and health-focused menus booming in 2026. Unlike smaller carts, a food truck provides space for a larger menu and a full kitchen. You can sell burgers, tacos, pizzas, gourmet sandwiches, vegan bowls, or desserts like waffles and churros. Flexibility allows you to test concepts until you find the most profitable one, even using AI tools to analyze menu performance. Investment is higher, typically $18,000 to $60,000 depending on truck size and equipment, including electric models. But earnings match the scale. Selling 120 meals at $12 each during lunch generates $1,440 in a few hours. Adding drinks and sides increases revenue further. Mobility is a major advantage. You go where crowds are, offices, parks, festivals, or breweries. Many event organizers actively seek food trucks, creating recurring contracts. Branding and menu focus are critical. A strong theme, limited menu, and efficient service ensure quality and speed. Upsells and sustainable sourcing increase margins. Food trucks prove that mobility expands opportunity. You're not just serving food, you're delivering an experience on wheels, perfectly aligned with the tech-driven 2026 market. 41. Laser engraving machine for jewelry. A laser engraving machine is one of the most misunderstood business tools. Most beginners think it's just engraving names. In reality, it's a personalization engine. What this machine actually does. Using fiber laser technology, this machine permanently engraves text, symbols, logos, serial numbers, and designs onto metals like gold, silver, stainless steel, titanium, and coated materials. The engraving is permanent, extremely precise. Music completed in seconds for small to mid-fiber laser units, suitable for jewelry and accessories. Music, $700 to $1,800 depending on power and work area. No industrial factory required. Many operators run this from a small workshop or retail space. How people really make money with it. The money is not in the machine, it's in context. Profitable use cases include jewelry stores offering same-day personalization, mall kiosks, engraving watches, music rings, and bracelets. Online stores selling personalized gifts, corporate orders, music employee gifts, branded items, awards. A single engraved item might take 1 to 3 minutes to produce. Yet, customers gladly pay premium prices because personalization is emotional, not logical. Why this machine works long-term? Lightweight products leads to easy international shipping, high perceived value, low material waste, repeat corporate clients. This machine doesn't rely on trends. People will always want names, memories, and meaning engraved into objects. To maximize profit, operators are now targeting the medical alert market, engraving vital health information on stylish bracelets. Others are partnering with local pet shelters to provide high-end, indestructible ID tags. The software compatibility allows you to import complex vector art, meaning you can offer limited edition artist collaborations. Marketing these services on TikTok and Instagram Reels showing the spark of the laser creates viral potential that drives traffic. You can also venture into the tech world by engraving serial numbers for small electronics manufacturers who need traceability. Some entrepreneurs are even offering mobile engraving services at weddings to create instant keepsakes for guests. By adding a rotary attachment, you can expand your catalog to include cylindrical items like high-end pens or customized ring interiors. The maintenance is incredibly low since there are no lamps or mirrors to align in fiber systems. This is truly a plug-and-play profit center that fits on a standard desk. As the cost of gold rises, the value of adding sentiment through engraving becomes even more attractive to the average consumer. 42. Photo booth machine for events. This machine is not about photos. It's about attention and experience. A modern photo booth combines touchscreen interface, instant photo, music printing, digital payments, social media sharing, depending on software, camera quality, and build. $1,200 to $2,800. This is not a toy. These are commercial-grade units. How the business actually works. You don't sell the machine. You sell presence at events. The common model: rent the booth per hour or per event. Upsell branded frames, logos, backdrops, props. Offer digital galleries after the event. Weddings, corporate launches, school events, brand activations. These happen every week, all year. One well-booked weekend can generate more than many online businesses make in a month. Why this machine pays fast? Music. No inventory, no manufacturing delays, no complex logistics. Your main assets are reliability, presentation, sales, relationships. Once event planners trust you, you become their default provider. This is a service machine, not a passive one, but it's extremely predictable. To scale this, many owners are integrating AI-powered filters that transform guests into digital avatars or oil paintings in real time. Data collection is another massive revenue stream. Corporate clients pay extra to collect emails and social media handles from users. You can offer 360-degree video booths as a premium tier to capture slow-motion content for TikTok. Adding a green screen option allows you to transport guests to any location, which is perfect for themed movie premieres or travel expos. The compact design of modern booths means you can transport them in a standard SUV, eliminating the need for a truck. In 2026, the inclusion of instant QR code downloads has replaced the need for expensive physical printers in many cases, raising profit margins. You can also white-label the software interface with a company's logo for high-end corporate branding. Subscription models for recurring school dances or monthly mall activations provide a steady, predictable floor for your income. Partnering with local florists or balloon artists for all-in-one event packages can help you dominate the local market. Finally, the ability to record video testimonials makes this a valuable tool for business conferences looking for organic social proof. 43. 3D printing machine for jewelry. This is where design meets manufacturing. A jewelry 3D printer, Music, uses high-precision resin printing to create extremely detailed models that are later cast or finished into final pieces. For jewelry-grade resin printers, $800 to $1,700. These are not general-purpose printers. They are built for detail, surface quality, and repeatability. Music. What makes this machine powerful? It removes the biggest bottleneck in jewelry production: manual labor. Music. Instead of carving by hand, you design digitally, print the model, cast, or finish. This allows rapid prototyping, custom orders, without tooling costs, small batch luxury music production, how people monetize it, custom wedding rings, personalized pendants, and music earrings, small luxury brands selling online, B2B services for designers and jewelers. The key advantage is speed. You can respond to custom requests without slowing production. Why this business scales? Digital designs are reusable. Labor cost drops dramatically. Customization increases margins. This machine turns creativity into a repeatable system, not a one-off craft. Advanced users are now using castable wax resins that can go directly from the printer into the investment flask for casting. This eliminates the need for rubber molds, allowing for one-of-a-kind designs that were previously impossible to manufacture. You can offer a design-your-own service online where customers submit a sketch and you turn it into a 3D reality. The precision of these machines allows for perfect stone settings, reducing the time a jeweler spends on the bench. Many are using this technology to create try-on replicas in plastic, so customers can check the fit before the final gold version is made. The footprint of the printer is so small it can sit in a retail window, acting as a high-tech marketing display. As resin technology improves, some materials are now durable enough to be used as final pieces for bridge jewelry or high-end costume collections. You can build a digital library of thousands of designs and only print them when a sale is confirmed, ensuring zero wasted inventory. B2. B opportunities exist in printing high-detail components for dental labs or small-scale industrial prototypes. By mastering CAD software, you become the architect of a jewelry empire without ever touching a traditional saw or file. 44. Sponge making machine. At first glance, sponges don't look exciting, and that's exactly why this business works. Sponges are a consumable product. They are used, destroyed, and replaced constantly in homes, hotels, factories, car washes, and cleaning companies. What this machine actually does, a sponge-making machine cuts, shapes, and processes foam or cellulose blocks into sponges of different sizes, densities, textures, applications. Depending on the configuration, you can produce kitchen sponges, bathroom sponges, car wash sponges, industrial scrubbing pads for small to medium commercial machines. $1,200 to $3,500. This is not heavy industry. Music. Many operators run this with minimal staff. How the money is made. The key here is volume and repeat orders. Customers don't buy one sponge. They buy boxes, monthly contracts, wholesale quantities. Hotels, cleaning companies, and distributors reorder automatically because sponges are consumed fast. Margins improve when you sell under private label. Offer eco-friendly or biodegradable materials. Customized packaging for businesses. This is not a viral business. It's a stable, boring cash flow business. The kind that survives for decades. To boost sales, you can specialize in high-density magic eraser-style sponges, which have significantly higher retail margins. There is a growing niche for ergonomic sponges designed specifically for the elderly or people with arthritis. You can offer custom-shaped sponges for promotional marketing, such as a house-shaped sponge for real estate agents. By sourcing recycled industrial foam, you can market your products as a sustainable, upcycled cleaning solution. The machine's ability to switch between soft foam and abrasive scouring pads allows you to serve both the kitchen and heavy-duty industrial sectors. Partnering with subscription box companies ensures a steady outflow of thousands of units every month. You can also explore the beauty industry by producing high-quality cosmetic sponges for makeup application. Small-scale automation allows you to package these sponges in-house, adding even more value to the final product. Distribution through local hardware stores or independent supermarkets can bypass the gatekeepers of big-box retail. Since the raw material is lightweight, your shipping costs for wholesale orders remain manageable even over long distances. 45. Tire shredding machine. Rubber recycling. Waste is expensive. Disposing of waste is even more expensive. That's where this machine comes in. A tire shredding machine breaks used tires into rubber granules that can be reused in other industries. What this machine actually does, it mechanically shreds car and music truck tires into rubber chips, granules, recycled material. These outputs are not trash, they are raw materials. For compact industrial shredders, $2,500 to $17,000. Larger systems exist, but many businesses start small and scale. Who buys the output? Recycled rubber is used in playground flooring, sports tracks, artificial turf, infill, industrial mats, construction materials. These buyers don't care about branding, they care about consistent supply. Why this business is powerful? Raw material is cheap or free. Demand comes from construction and public projects. Environmental regulations push recycling. You're not selling to consumers, you're selling to industries and municipalities. This machine turns an environmental problem into a long-term industrial supply business. Many operators are now adding a magnetic separator to pull out the valuable steel wire found inside tires, which can be sold as scrap metal for extra profit. You can also process the rubber further into rubber mulch for landscaping, which lasts longer than wood chips and prevents weed growth. There is a significant market for tire-derived fuel, TDF in some regions, where shredded rubber is used in industrial kilns. By obtaining green certifications, your business can qualify for government subsidies or carbon credits in many jurisdictions. The machine can be operated in a simple outdoor yard, keeping your overhead costs for building rent extremely low. You can offer a pickup service to local tire shops, charging them a small disposal fee before you even process the material. This creates a double-dip revenue model where you get paid to take the trash and then get paid to sell the product. The demand for rubberized asphalt in road construction is rising, creating massive B2B contract opportunities with city planners. As landfill space becomes more restricted, your service becomes a necessity rather than a luxury. Investing in a larger capacity shredder later on allows you to process tractor and OTR, off-the-road tires, which have even more material volume. 46. Artificial grass manufacturing machine. Water is becoming expensive. Maintenance is becoming expensive. Labor is becoming expensive. Artificial grass solves all three. What this machine actually does? An artificial grass manufacturing machine produces synthetic turf by weaving plastic fibers into a durable backing. The result is grass that looks natural, requires no watering, requires minimal maintenance, lasts for years for compact or semi-automatic production lines, $25,000 to $40,000. This is not a full-scale factory, but enough to supply local markets. Who buys artificial grass? Customers include homeowners, landscaping companies, sports facilities, schools and playgrounds, commercial buildings. Governments in many regions actively promote water-saving solutions, which increases demand year after year. How profits are built? Artificial grass is sold by the square meter. Margins increase when you offer installation services. Customize thickness and texture. Sell to B2B clients instead of retail. This business benefits from long-term trends. Climate change, water restrictions, urbanization. This is not a trend business. It's a structural demand business. You can differentiate your product by developing a pet-friendly line with superior drainage and antimicrobial properties. There is also a niche for putting green turf for backyard golf enthusiasts who want high-density, low-pile surfaces. By using UV-resistant coatings, you can guarantee a lifespan of over 10 years, which is a major selling point for commercial property managers. The machine can be adjusted to create different blades of grass, from soft residential styles to rugged sports turf. You can sell your offcuts as balcony rugs for urban dwellers, ensuring zero waste from your production line. Many manufacturers are now incorporating recycled plastics into their turf, appealing to the eco-conscious consumer. Offering a rental service for events, such as indoor garden parties or trade shows, provides high-margin, short-term income. You can also manufacture vertical grass walls, which are currently a huge trend in interior design and restaurant decor. The ability to supply local landscapers directly gives you a massive price advantage over imported brands that face heavy shipping costs. As drought conditions worsen in many parts of the world, your manufacturing capacity becomes a critical part of local infrastructure. 47. Ceramic printing machine. Plain mugs are cheap. Customized mugs sell for 3 to 5 times more. This machine prints designs on cups, plates, tiles, and ceramic decor, roughly $700 to $3,200. Perfect for cafes and restaurants, personalized gifts, corporate branding. Creativity turns music into profit here. Beyond just mugs, you can use this machine to create custom ceramic tiles for kitchen backsplashes or bathroom renovations. Many artists use this technology to reproduce their paintings on durable ceramic surfaces for outdoor art installations. You can target the souvenir market by creating city-specific plates and decor for local tourism shops. The latest machines use eco-solvent inks that are dishwasher-safe and lead-free, satisfying health regulations. Offering while you wait printing at craft fairs can turn a small stand into a high-traffic destination. You can also produce branded tableware for boutique hotels that want their logo on every piece of china. The ability to do small runs makes you the perfect partner for startups that only need 20 or 30 branded pieces. Expanding into memorial photos on ceramic for headstones is a high-sensitivity, high-margin niche. With the right software, you can offer 3D effect prints that add texture to the ceramic surface. 48. Mirror cutting machine. Mirrors are everywhere. Homes, gyms, salons, hotels. A mirror cutting machine allows precise custom shapes, edges, and finishes, around $1,500 to $4,500. Add LED lighting, beveling, or custom frames, and margins increase significantly. You can specialize in smart mirrors by leaving a section of the glass transparent for a tablet screen to be mounted behind it. There is a huge demand for custom-sized mirrors in the home gym market where standard sizes won't fit the wall space. Offering on-site measurement and installation services can double your revenue per client. You can also create decorative mirror mosaics for interior designers looking for unique wall treatments. The automotive industry also needs custom mirror glass for vintage car restorations or specialized side mirrors. Many owners are now adding sandblasting capabilities to etch logos or intricate borders onto the glass. Partnering with local glass shops that don't have specialized cutting equipment allows you to act as their wholesale fabricator. Creating custom vanity mirrors with integrated Bluetooth speakers is a high-growth area in the luxury home market. 49. Toilet paper roll cutting machine. This is a recession-proof business. Everyone needs toilet paper, no matter the economy. This machine cuts and rolls paper for packaging and sale, about $1,200 to $2,500. Selling to hotels, hospitals, and local distributors creates stable repeat customers. You can diversify by offering bamboo-based paper, which appeals to the rapidly growing eco-friendly market. Some entrepreneurs are finding success with jumbo rolls, designed specifically for the high-volume dispensers found in malls and airports. By customizing the core of the roll with advertisements, you can create a secondary revenue stream. The machine's small footprint allows it to be placed in a small garage, keeping the manufacturing cost per unit very low. You can also package emergency kits or camping-specific rolls that are more compact for outdoor use. Offering a subscription service to local office buildings ensures they never run out and you get a guaranteed monthly check. There is also a market for colored or scented paper in certain high-end hospitality niches. As supply chain costs for large manufacturers rise, your ability to supply local businesses with zero shipping delay is a massive competitive edge. 50. Micro-fermentation control system. This system does not ferment products by itself. Instead, it controls temperature, humidity, airflow, and timing during fermentation. It is used for kombucha bases, fermented beverages, sauces, vinegars, and cultured foods. Compact fermentation controllers cost between $150 and $500, while small temperature-controlled cabinets and modular setups bring total systems into the $500 to $1,500 range. These are available from brewing supply stores, Amazon, and specialty fermentation retailers. The value of this system is consistency. Fermentation businesses fail when batches vary. Controlled fermentation allows repeatable quality and reduced waste. People use these systems to build fermented beverage brands, supply restaurants, or create small batch specialty products with stable output. With the rise of probiotic health trends, you can use this system to launch a line of artisanal kimchi or sauerkraut. Many users are now experimenting with koji fermentation to create high-end umami seasonings for professional chefs. The precise data logging of these systems allows you to prove your product's safety to health inspectors. You can scale your business by offering fermentation kits to home enthusiasts who want professional results. Small-scale vinegar production from local fruit waste is an excellent way to create a high-value, sustainable product. You can also target the vegan market by producing cultured nut cheeses that require specific temperature profiles. The system's ability to be monitored remotely via a smartphone app means you can manage multiple batches from anywhere. As food costs rise, the ability to preserve and enhance food through fermentation is becoming a highly valued skill. 51. Solid soap and cleansing bar extrusion machine. This machine extrudes, cuts, and shapes solid bars such as soap, shampoo bars, facial bars, and cleaning products. It replaces manual molding with continuous production. Compact soap extruders and cutters cost between $1,000 and $5,000, depending on capacity and automation. They are available from soap-making equipment suppliers, Alibaba, and niche manufacturing vendors. Production output can reach hundreds of bars per day, even with a single operator. Solid bars reduce packaging, shipping costs, and storage space, making them ideal for direct-to-consumer brands. These machines are commonly used by eco-focused brands, hotels, gyms, and subscription box companies. The zero-waste movement has made shampoo and conditioner bars a massive growth category in 2026. You can create specialized formulations for different skin types, adding value through botanical ingredients. The extrusion process creates a much more dense and longer-lasting bar than traditional cold-process molding. You can also produce laundry detergent bars, which are gaining popularity for travel and minimalist living. Offering custom embossing on the bars allows you to provide white-label products for luxury spas. The machine is easy to clean, allowing you to switch between different scents and colors in just a few minutes. By sourcing local ingredients like honey or goat milk, you can market a farm-to-shower brand. The uniform shape produced by the extruder makes professional packaging much easier and more attractive for retail shelves. Many owners are also finding success in the pet care market with solid dog wash bars. 52. Desktop CNC router for small product manufacturing. This machine cuts and shapes wood, plastic, foam, and soft metals using computer-controlled tools. It is used for parts, signage, molds, and custom components. Entry-level desktop CNC routers cost between $400 and $1,500 and are available from Amazon, Alibaba, and CNC manufacturers. These machines allow small producers to manufacture components instead of outsourcing, reducing lead times and increasing margins. They are often paired with laser engravers for full product customization. You can dominate the local market by creating custom wooden topographical maps or 3D wall art. There is a huge niche for custom-designed PC cases or desk accessories for the gaming community. You can also manufacture intricate architectural models for real estate developers or students. The machine's ability to work with brass and aluminum allows you to create high-end nameplates and industrial tags. Many entrepreneurs are using CNC routers to create flat-pack furniture that can be shipped easily and assembled by the customer. Offering a custom carving service for local carpenters adds a high-tech layer to traditional craftsmanship. You can also produce specialized jigs and tools for other makers, creating a B2B revenue stream. The accuracy of the machine ensures that every part fits perfectly, reducing waste and assembly time. As you gain experience, you can offer on-demand manufacturing for inventors needing prototypes in durable materials. 53. Vending machine. The classic business that keeps working even while you sleep. A vending machine is one of the simplest systems for generating almost passive income. Used machines usually cost between $800 and $1,500, while new compact models range from $1,200 to $2,000. You can place them in gyms, schools, offices, residential buildings, or factories. Daily revenue typically ranges from $20 to $60, with profit margins between 40% and 60%. In many cases, the investment is recovered within 3 to 6 months. The best part is that once one machine is running smoothly, you can double or triple the model and build an automated, stable, and highly reliable business. Additionally, this type of business requires very little daily time, as you only need to restock products, collect cash, or review digital sales. You can optimize profits by choosing high-rotation products such as healthy snacks, energy drinks, or location-specific items. Many modern machines accept card payments or QR codes, which increases sales. You can also negotiate agreements with property owners without paying fixed rent by offering a percentage of the profits. Over time, you will learn which locations sell the most and which ones should be replaced. It is an ideal model for beginners because it is easy to understand, predictable, and scalable. It can even become a formal company with dozens of machines operating simultaneously. It is one of the most widely used businesses to create real and sustainable passive income. To maximize performance, it is crucial to conduct a pedestrian traffic study before final installation. Advanced telemetry allows you to monitor inventory in real time from your phone, avoiding unnecessary trips. You can diversify the catalog by including convenience items such as phone chargers or personal hygiene products in tourist areas. The aesthetic cleanliness of the machine is a determining factor in building trust and increasing purchase frequency. It is advisable to reinvest early profits into acquiring additional units to dominate a specific geographic route. Machines with touch screens offer digital advertising opportunities that generate an additional income stream. Maintaining seasonal product rotation, such as hot drinks in winter, ensures year-round profitability. Preventive maintenance reduces long-term repair costs and avoids interruptions in cash flow. By formalizing the business, you can access exclusive contracts with hotel chains or high-level logistics centers. The key to success lies in strategic placement and fast restocking of top-selling products. This model allows a smooth transition from full-time employment to total financial freedom. With an optimized fleet, operating expenses are diluted, allowing for much stronger and more attractive profit margins. It is undoubtedly a solid infrastructure for any entrepreneur who values their time as much as their money. Furthermore, exploring niche markets like high-end protein shakes or fresh fruit can command even higher premiums in premium health clubs. Developing a brand identity for your machines, rather than leaving them generic, builds consumer recognition and allows for easier expansion into major transit hubs. Finally, securing government or municipal contracts for public parks can provide a virtually competition-free environment for long-term growth. 54. Ice making and bagging machine. A basic product that everyone needs all year round. This business stands out for its constant demand. An ice making and bagging machine costs between $500 and $1,600 and can generate hundreds of kilograms of ice per day. The cost per bag is around 20 cents to 40 cents, while the selling price ranges from $1 to $2. Restaurants, bars, events, food trucks, and gas stations purchase ice non-stop. It does not require creativity or design, only consistency. It is one of the most stable and predictable businesses that exist. Additionally, ice is a product of immediate consumption, which means inventory moves quickly and is rarely stored for long periods. During hot seasons, sales can double or triple. You can start selling locally and then secure fixed contracts with businesses that purchase daily. The production process is simple and repetitive, making it ideal for task automation. You do not need a strong brand, only quality and punctuality. You can even operate from a small location or warehouse. This business is perfect for those seeking consistent income without relying on trends. Ice never goes out of style. Furthermore, as an essential product, it withstands economic downturns well. Over time, you can expand capacity or add your own distribution to increase margins. Water purity and the use of high-quality filters ensure a crystal-clear product that customers prefer. Implementing a home delivery system for social events can significantly increase the final price per bag. During holiday weekends, demand often exceeds local supply, creating a golden opportunity for new providers. It is possible to install self-service ice machines that operate with coins, eliminating the need for employees. Optimizing electricity consumption is essential to keep production costs as low as possible. You can offer different formats, such as flake ice for fish markets or gourmet cubes for high-end cocktail bars. Maintaining the cold chain during transport is the only relevant logistical challenge in this business model. As you scale, purchasing higher-capacity industrial machinery drastically reduces the unit cost per kilogram produced. Establishing partnerships with wedding and fair organizers guarantees high-volume sales with advanced planning. The simplicity of the product allows anyone to manage the operation without advanced technical knowledge. Strong positioning on Google Maps helps nearby businesses find you easily when they have urgent needs. Investing in a professional thermal sealer ensures bags maintain hygiene and a flawless commercial presentation. It is an asset that retains resale value, reducing the initial financial risk of the investment. To further scale, you can implement a subscription model for local bars that ensures a guaranteed supply during their peak hours. Integrating smart sensors into your storage bins can alert you when stock is low, preventing lost sales during heat waves. Building a network of secondary resellers in rural areas can expand your market reach without the need for additional storefronts. 55. Artisan soap making machine. A little known but highly profitable gem. A small mixing and cutting system costs between $200 and $1,200 and allows the production of artisan soap batches with minimal effort. Natural and eco-friendly soaps are in high demand and sell at premium prices. The cost per bar ranges from 30 cents to 60 cents, while the selling price can be between $4 and $10 or more for special varieties such as activated charcoal, oatmeal, lavender, or goat milk. Good packaging can multiply the product's value. It is a relaxing, creative, and easy-to-scale business, ideal for the wellness industry. Additionally, artisan soap allows for enormous differentiation through scents, colors, ingredients, and shapes. You can create special lines for sensitive skin, children, spas, or corporate gifts. This product sells very well at fairs, natural stores, and online platforms. Brand storytelling plays a key role as customers value natural and handmade products. It is also a business that can be started from home with minimal permits. Production can be scheduled in batches, optimizing time and costs. As you grow, you can outsource packaging or increase volume without losing quality. It is ideal for those seeking a profitable business with an artistic and emotional focus. The inclusion of pure essential oils allows positioning within the aromatherapy and conscious self-care niche. You can design monthly subscriptions where customers receive an exclusive seasonal soap selection delivered to their homes. Visual social networks like Instagram and TikTok are powerful tools for showcasing the production process and attracting customers. Using local or exotic ingredients adds narrative value that justifies higher selling prices in the market. It is possible to collaborate with boutique hotels to supply personalized amenities that reinforce their luxury brand identity. Continuous training in new saponification techniques allows you to innovate and maintain interest among repeat buyers. Profit margins increase significantly when purchasing raw materials in bulk directly from oil and fragrance producers. A well-structured digital catalog facilitates wholesale sales to gift shops and specialized beauty salons. In-person workshops teaching soap making can become a highly profitable and popular secondary income stream. As a non-perishable product, inventory loss risk is virtually non-existent when stored properly. The growing zero-waste trend favors biodegradable packaging, aligning with modern consumer values. With minimal investment in targeted advertising, you can reach highly specific and profitable global market niches. Organic growth in this business is often accelerated through word-of-mouth recommendations from satisfied customers. Expanding your line into related products like bath bombs or body butters can leverage your existing customer base for higher average order values. Partnering with eco-friendly influencers for limited edition scents can drive massive traffic to your website during holiday seasons. Finally, obtaining organic certifications can open doors to high-end retail chains and international export opportunities. 56. Cold brew coffee system, a beverage experiencing global expansion. Cold brew has become a business driven by caffeine and lifestyle culture. A brewing system costs between $150 and $600 and allows the production of large quantities of concentrated coffee. The cost per bottle is around $1 to $1.50, while the selling price ranges from $5 to $9. Selling just 50 bottles per day can generate $250 to $450 daily. Gyms, co-working spaces, cafes, yoga studios, and offices prefer local suppliers. You are not just selling coffee, you are selling an experience. Additionally, cold brew has a longer shelf life than traditional coffee, which simplifies distribution. You can offer flavors, limited editions, or premium presentations. Bottle design and branding heavily influence purchasing decisions. This product connects with a young, active audience willing to pay more for quality. You do not need a physical cafe to start. You can sell by order or weekly subscription. It is also ideal for events and corporate offices. Once the recipe is established, the process is repeatable and efficient. It is a modern, attractive, and highly scalable business with low operational risk. Cold extraction highlights sweet notes and reduces acidity, appealing to more demanding palates. You can implement a returnable container system to foster customer loyalty and significantly reduce operating costs. The versatility of the concentrate allows it to be used as a base for cocktails, desserts, or high-performance natural energy drinks. Participating in local weekend markets is an excellent strategy for testing new recipes and receiving feedback immediate. Influencer marketing within the fitness sector can dramatically boost sales if the product is positioned as a healthy pre-workout option. It is essential to maintain a specialty coffee bean supply chain to ensure a consistently superior flavor profile. Semi-automatic filling machines can accelerate production as corporate orders scale in volume. Creating a minimalist and modern visual identity helps your brand stand out on organic store and mini-market shelves. Nitrogen-infused cold brew is a technical variant you can add to offer a creamy, beer-like texture. Automating order management through an online store simplifies logistics and improves the end-user experience. Profit margins comfortably absorb shipping costs for scheduled local deliveries or recurring subscriptions. Proper temperature control during storage ensures coffee freshness remains intact for several weeks. This is a business well-suited for co-branding with other local healthy food or artisanal snack brands. Introducing a bag-in-box format for offices allows you to tap into the high-volume corporate perks market with ease. You can also offer seasonal bean origins, such as Ethiopian or Colombian single origins, to keep the menu exciting for coffee aficionados. Establishing a white label service for local cafes that don't have the space to brew their own can create a massive hidden revenue stream. 57. Vinyl cutter for stickers. The sticker business is booming. With an investment of $150 to $350 in a vinyl cutter, you can produce stickers for laptops, cars, bottles, planners, walls, and brands. The cost per sheet is 20 cents to 40 cents, and each sticker sells for $3 to $8. The real potential lies in subscription packs, themed releases, artist collaborations, and niche markets such as gamers, students, or pet owners. Once you build an audience, the machine becomes an income factory. Additionally, stickers are lightweight products, easy to ship, and have very low logistics costs. You can sell them on social media, marketplaces, or your own online store. Creativity is the main differentiator, not the machinery. Viral designs can generate thousands of sales in a short time. You can also offer custom stickers for brands and events. It is an ideal business to combine with digital content and social media marketing. It does not require large inventories or physical space. Over time, you can expand into other products such as t-shirts or stationery. It is an excellent entry point into creative entrepreneurship with high profitability. The versatility of modern cutters allows working with holographic, fluorescent, or textured materials that increase perceived value. You can specialize in creating organization kits for small businesses, helping them label their products professionally. The sticker collector market is vast and willing to pay for numbered, signed, limited editions. Integrating your store with print-on-demand platforms helps manage demand spikes without holding physical stock. Creating customization tutorials on video platforms can attract a loyal community interested in your unique designs. You can diversify by offering interior decorative vinyls, opening a higher-ticket business line. Modern design software is intuitive, making complex pattern creation easy without being a graphic design expert. Offering affordable international shipping in flat envelopes removes geographic growth limitations. Using high-resistance materials allows stickers to be used outdoors, expanding your customer base into the automotive sector. Fast production enables delivery of personalized orders within 24 hours, outperforming large print shops in agility. You can form partnerships with local illustrators to launch capsule collections and share profits fairly. Machine maintenance is minimal, and supplies are easy to source in almost any city or country. It is a business model that directly rewards the ability to identify and capitalize on fast-moving cultural and viral trends. Expanding into the planner community niche with functional and aesthetic sticker kits can create a highly dedicated and recurring customer base. You can also leverage your equipment to create custom window decals for local storefronts, providing a high-margin service for other entrepreneurs. Finally, implementing a mystery bag sales strategy on your shop can help clear out excess inventory while increasing excitement and engagement among your followers. 58. Mini donut machine. Small, sweet, and extremely profitable. These machines cost between $150 and $500 and can produce hundreds of mini donuts per hour. The cost per unit is just 3 to 5 cents, and they sell for between 50 cents and $1. They are marketed in boxes of 12, 24, or more. They are perfect for fairs, festivals, markets, corporate events, and dessert businesses. The aroma works in your favor. It literally sells itself. It is possible to generate $500 to $1,000 per day with a countertop machine. In addition, the preparation process is simple and does not require highly trained staff, which reduces operating costs. You can offer toppings such as sugar, cinnamon, chocolate, caramel, or special fillings that increase the average ticket per customer. This business works especially well in small spaces, mobile carts, or temporary stands. Production is fast, allowing you to serve long lines without losing sales. You can also create combos with beverages such as coffee or hot chocolate. The investment is recovered quickly, often in just a few weeks. It is ideal for entrepreneurs looking for immediate results. You can operate alone or with an assistant during peak hours. Consumption is constant, as mini donuts appeal to both children and adults. Changing flavors seasonally helps maintain public interest. You can even offer service for private parties or birthdays. The profit margin is high and stable. It is a visually attractive business and easy to promote on social media. To scale this model, you can standardize your own premix flour blend to ensure a unique flavor that no one else can replicate. The use of transparent glass display cases allows customers to see the frying process, which acts as a powerful sensory marketing tool. You can implement a pre-order system through WhatsApp to supply breakfasts to local offices every morning. Incorporating biodegradable packaging with attractive designs can justify an increase in the final price as part of a premium brand concept. It is essential to invest in a good fryer with digital temperature control to avoid oil waste and ensure even cooking. When participating in large events, renting a small power generator will give you complete autonomy in any geographic location. You can develop a line of vegan or gluten-free mini donuts to capture niche markets with specific diets and less competition. Creating donut towers for weddings and baptisms is an excellent way to enter the lucrative luxury social events sector. Automating the batter dispenser reduces operator fatigue and speeds up production during peak crowd hours. Consider franchising your concept once you have 3 or more mobile points of sale operating successfully with proven profitability. Marketing based on behind-the-scenes videos on TikTok often goes viral due to how satisfying it is to watch mass production. Maintaining impeccable cleanliness of the equipment not only meets health regulations, but also projects a professional image that attracts more customers. Finally, offering small free samples is the most effective technique to immediately convert curious passers-by into loyal buyers. 59. Button and pin making machine. Small, inexpensive, and surprisingly powerful. These machines cost between $50 and $300 and can produce hundreds of pins per hour. Schools, events, campaigns, artists, and brands purchase them in large quantities. The cost per unit is 3 to 10 cents, and the selling price ranges from $2 to $5. The key lies in volume and speed. Large orders are common, making it one of the best options for beginners with a low budget. In addition, it is a very flexible business that can be operated from home with little space. Custom pins are in high demand at concerts, conventions, cultural fairs, and political events. You can offer exclusive designs, names, dates, or logos, which increases perceived value. Production is immediate, ideal for urgent orders. No prior inventory is required, as items are made to order. You can sell both to end customers and wholesale clients. It is an excellent option for creative entrepreneurs. You can also combine this business with basic digital printing. The learning curve is short and requires no prior experience. You can work during peak seasons, such as elections or back-to-school periods. The machinery is durable and low maintenance. Scaling is easy by purchasing more molds or sizes. Margins are high when producing large quantities. It can even become a perfect complement to other personalization businesses. You can diversify your offering by including variants such as keychains, bottle openers, and pocket mirrors that use the same base press. Collaborating with local illustrators to launch limited edition collections can help you position yourself in the collectibles and urban art market. Using high-quality photographic papers or matte and metallic finishes adds a touch of exclusivity that customers are willing to pay for. Implementing a do-it-yourself station at children's fairs allows kids to draw their own design and have it turned into a pin. Selling themed packs on platforms like Etsy is an excellent way to generate income in dollars from anywhere in the world. Companies often seek pins as part of their corporate identity programs or to identify employees at large conventions. It is vital to have a digital catalog of ready-made templates, so customers only need to send their photos or logos by email. Investing in a high-end electric or manual circular cutter will save hours of work and improve finishing precision. You can offer volume discounts for school graduations, securing sales of thousands of units in a single short-season contract. Nostalgia marketing, using retro or pixel art designs, often receives an exceptional response from both young and adult audiences. Because it is such a lightweight product, shipping costs are minimal, greatly simplifying logistics for national and international sales. Maintaining an active presence in niche communities, such as anime fans or rock bands, guarantees a steady flow of custom orders. This machine is essentially a small-scale money printing tool that rewards execution speed and strong graphic selection. 60. 3D printer, a mini factory on your desk. Today, a reliable 3D printer costs between $200 and $600. With it, you can create figurines, replacement parts, accessories, tools, mounts, and customized products. Production costs usually range from 20 cents to $1, while selling prices can reach $10, $20, or even $40. The advantage lies in serving niches that large brands ignore. A single viral design can launch an entire business on social media. In addition, you can print on demand, avoiding inventory accumulation. This business is ideal for solving specific problems, such as discontinued parts or custom adapters. Customers value fast, tailored solutions. You can sell online, on marketplaces, or locally. The printer can work autonomously for hours. Multiple materials are available, expanding the product catalog. Learning basic modeling gives you full independence. You can also sell digital files without printing. It is a business with high creative potential. The 3D community is huge and collaborative. You can focus on sectors such as home, office, automotive, or gaming. Scalability is high by adding more printers. Customization is the greatest differentiating value. It is an excellent option for technical or curious entrepreneurs. Mastering the use of UV resins allows you to create pieces with microscopic detail, ideal for fine jewelry, dentistry, or collectible miniatures. You can specialize in the replacement parts market for old appliances, where a small plastic piece can save an expensive device from being discarded. Implementing a printer farm, multiple machines working together, allows you to fulfill industrial volume orders with record delivery times. Offering 3D scanning services to replicate real objects adds a layer of technological value that very few competitors can match locally. Using technical filaments such as carbon fiber or conductive materials opens doors in engineering, prototyping, and basic robotics industries. You can create your own line of ergonomic desk organizers that do not exist in the mass office furniture market. Post-processing, such as sanding and professional painting, can easily triple the selling value of a raw printed piece. Staying up to date with the latest slicers and optimization software is essential to reduce printing time and material consumption. Participating in specialized forums allows you to obtain commercial licenses to sell designs from globally recognized artists under a royalty model. Creating low-cost prosthetics or assistive tools for people with disabilities offers an extremely rewarding social and economic return. When selling online, protective packaging is key to ensuring fragile structures arrive intact at the final destination. You can automate your sales workflow by connecting your website directly with automatic quote services based on STL files uploaded by users. 3D printing is not just a trend, it is the future of distributed manufacturing, where transportation logistics are replaced by data transmission. 61. Laser engraver. The machine that turns simple objects into premium products. Compact laser engravers cost between $300 and $1,200 and allow you to personalize wood, acrylic, leather, glass, and metal. From personalized cutting boards to wedding gifts or corporate products, a material that costs $3 to $5 can sell for $20 to $80 after engraving. Personalization multiplies value and demand for both individual customers and companies. In addition, it is a highly versatile business with endless applications. You can work with one-off orders or mass production. Demand for personalized gifts grows every year. You do not need large volumes to be profitable. Engraving adds emotional value to the product. You can sell on key dates such as weddings, graduations, and Christmas. Operation is quiet and clean. You can work from home or a small workshop. The learning curve is fast with intuitive software. Companies pay well for corporate items. You can build your own premium brand. The investment is recovered quickly with just a few large orders. It is ideal to combine with online sales. Professional finishing generates repeat customers. Engraving QR codes on metal plates for restaurant menus or pet identification is a high-turnover, low-cost service. You can enter the architecture world by creating detailed models precisely laser-cut from simple vector format digital plans. The ability to cut acrylic allows you to manufacture custom LED neon-style signs, a product with extremely high profit margins in the current market. It is possible to offer industrial marking services for tools and machinery, helping other companies maintain permanent and secure inventory control. Investing in a rotary module will allow you to engrave thermoses, glasses, and cylindrical bottles, which are the best-selling items in the personalized gift sector. Using fine or reclaimed woods adds an ecological and artisanal value that strongly resonates with conscious, high-income consumers. Installing a proper fume extraction system is crucial to maintain a healthy work environment and prevent residue buildup on the lens. You can develop personalized puzzles or wooden board games as unique gifts for special dates like Father's Day. Integration with design software such as CorelDRAW or Illustrator allows you to bring creative ideas into the physical world with absolute technical fidelity. Offering on-the-spot engraving services at malls or events can generate massive cash flow thanks to instant customer gratification. Creating custom wooden packaging for wine bottles transforms an ordinary gift into a luxury collector's item valued by experts. You can collaborate with leather goods stores to engrave initials on wallets and belts, charging a fee for immediate personalization service. The laser engraver is a precision tool that rewards attention to detail and enables scaling toward high-end product manufacturing with minimal investment. 62. Sublimation system with heat press. From blank products to emotional items. A complete sublimation system costs between $500 and $1,200 and includes a heat press, printer, inks, and consumables. It allows you to create t-shirts, mugs, thermoses, bags, photo gifts, and corporate products. A mug costs around $2.50 to $3 to produce, but sells for $12 to $20. Producing 40 per day, you can generate $300 to $600 daily from home. You are not selling objects, you are selling memories and emotions. In addition, personalization is immediate and made to order. This business works very well for special dates such as birthdays, anniversaries, and events. You can offer packages for companies and schools. Sublimation provides durable, professional finishes. You do not need large volumes to start. The learning process is fast and practical. You can work alone or with minimal support. The variety of products keeps the catalog constantly fresh. It is ideal for social media and local sales. You can combine it with basic graphic design. The investment is recovered quickly. It is a creative and emotional business. Demand is constant throughout the year. Perfect for starting from home with low risk. To differentiate yourself, you can specialize in sublimation on high-end interior design fabrics, such as custom cushions or curtains with exclusive patterns. Using correct color profiles is vital, so prints match exactly what customers see on their digital screens. You can expand your business by offering welcome kits for new employees at tech companies, including personalized thermoses, notebooks, and mouse pads. The technique of sublimation on aluminum sheets allows you to create high-definition photographs with a glossy finish that competes with art galleries. Implementing an online store with a live configurator where users upload their own images automates much of the design process. Strategically purchasing blanks or raw items by the pallet reduces costs and improves profit margins on large-scale orders. You can offer customization services for local sports league uniforms, securing recurring orders at the start of each new season. Daily maintenance of printer heads is the only critical technical requirement to avoid costly interruptions in daily production. Exploring innovative products such as puzzles, sandals, or phone cases will keep you one step ahead of more traditional competitors. Creating a brand with a consistent visual style on social media allows you to sell your own artistic designs instead of just printing services. You can participate in entrepreneur fairs offering item personalization in under 15 minutes, taking advantage of impulse purchases by attendees. Technical support from ink and paper suppliers is a valuable resource you should leverage to resolve questions about pressing times and pressure. This system is the perfect entry point for anyone who wants to turn creativity into an agile, profitable, and enjoyable manufacturing business. Now you know that the real power isn't just in the machine, but in how you use it to build a profitable and scalable business. Each of these ideas can be adapted to your budget, your space, and your long-term vision. If this video opened up new possibilities for you, subscribe to Machine Boost, hit the like button, and let us know in the comments which machine would be your first investment. We'll see you in the next video with more ways to boost your success.